We have WMAR2 News' Chanel Pearman live for us right now at BWI Airport. So, Chanel, how many people in Maryland are impacted by the shutdown?
Well, Christian, 172,000 Marylanders are being impacted by this shutdown, including many TSA workers here at BWI Airport. Many of them have been coming to work every single day, despite struggling to make ends meet. And many of them are worried because they don't know where their next paycheck is coming from. Because of the number of people impacted by this shutdown, U.S. Senator from Maryland Ben Cardin met with TSA agents at BWI Airport yesterday. He and U.S. Senator Chris Van Hollen have been calling for an immediate end to the shutdown so more people aren't hurt financially. To head on to the issues those workers are facing, some of them worry they'll be evicted from their homes or lose their cars because they can't make payments.
People come to work because they love doing what they're doing to keep people safe. You know, just like a doctor, a surgeon, police officers, they do work to keep the public safe. We do the same here. But it's like when you're working for nothing, virtually nothing, you have nothing to go home to.
Although many TSA workers have been coming into work, many have also been calling out sick in record numbers because they're still required to come to work despite not being paid during this shutdown. Live at BWI Airport, Chanel Pearman, WMAR2 News.